Rare opportunity to own a charming one-level ranch home with 4 bedrooms plus great backyard in prime location. You'll love the open floor plan with vaulted ceiling and hardwood flooring in the great room, plus the sunroom. The wonderful fenced backyard is the perfect place to make memories /family and friends. The yard is flat where you can enjoy all types of outdoor fun and let the pets run. 4th bedroom can also be a great den, office, or bonus room. Enjoy summer evenings on the large deck. Many updates have been done for you in this immaculately maintained home. New roof in 2021, new crawl space moisture barrier in 2021, electrical system overhaul in 2020 bringing the breaker box up to code, new wall heat/air conditioner unit in sunroom in 2020, new flooring in sunroom in 2020, some windows have been replaced, and new HVAC system in 2018. Original main plumbing line to house replaced in 2018. Just minutes from Country Park, Greensboro Science Center, new urban loop, plus great shopping, dining, and more.